My name's Ian McNally. I'm one of the owners and directors of English Woodlands Timber. As we've developed the board market, or the waney-edge, live-edge boards as a product that we sell from English Woodlands Timber, we were struggling to find the ideal machine to be able to process these boards. And after a lot of investigation, the SCM, which is behind me, the SCM 90, which is 1.35 meters wide, and it has 3 heads on it. It's unbelievable. The first head is a rotary planing head, which has over 600 individual cutters on it. These cutters take a little bit of timber at each point, and it's rotating at such a speed that it's almost soundless. You can hardly hear it doing the cutting, but it's very kind to the timber, and it manages burrs, knots, and the variation in grain very, very well. It enables us to flatten the timber, it enables us to thickness the timber, and the second 2 heads enable us to sand it and then fine sand it on the 3rd head. So the second head on the sander actually sets the actual height, the thickness of the timber, and the second sanding head, which is the 3rd head in the machine, enables us to actually take off what was missed in the hit and miss process of the first 2 heads. And if you look at the sanding platform on the 3rd head, it's a broad platform with a flexible base, which enables us to get into the little nooks and crannies on that board. When you see it coming out of the machine, you realize how fantastic the services that the SCM offers us, and it takes days and days of time out of that processing that we've seen our customers battle with year after year. I hope you enjoy it as much as we do.